Come test drive the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.